if your purpose is to make a cheap, purposeful EV, you have to think about it from its inception. What would that look like?
SLATE. Oh,
So-
hey, look at that SLATE. You just kept trying to hit that segue, and I kept interrupting you.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Proof we don't talk about this beforehand. I love this truck every single time I see it. The updates that we have more recently, they are back on the road. They're going from state to state. They don't have any announcements for any Arizona trips. I reached out to them. They said they will let us know when they're coming to Arizona, and we're welcome to attend one of their events here.
Which we will totally do.
Which we'll definitely do. The most recent updates, though, for the truck itself, they confirmed a partnership with RepairPal. When they announced this truck, they said, you can do it yourself, or we will have an unnamed network of people out there that you can bring it to and do it. Who? I don't know. So now we know.
RepairPal?
Repair are going to be instructed on how to transform the SLATE into whatever it is that you want to make it. You bring the stuff to them, or maybe you get it shipped to them and they do it. So it's a network of 4,000 nationwide service shops who will do it, and the locations will be able to wrap, repair, and customize the SLATE truck if you don't feel comfortable doing it yourself. But they're developing this thing called SLATE University, where they will teach you, kind of like if you've watched any guides on iFixit.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Kind of like that, but way simpler than that. Like, this is meant to be user configured. That's where the bulk of your savings, I think, is coming from. Because they're almost like IKEA furniture. They're flat shipping it to you. You put it together yourself, and you save all the money of having to ship
A big bulky item. Yeah.
a big bulky item and paying for the manpower to put it together. You take on that cost, and you get to keep the savings, and you put it together yourself. And for something like this that's fairly modular, honestly, even if it didn't save any money, I would probably do it myself because I think that's fun.
Yeah.
I would enjoy that.
Me too.
Confirmed they will have access to Tesla supercharging network, which has 25,000 stations across the country. So those are the two updates. RepairPal, and you can use these as
NACS.
superchargers.
Awesome. Because this would be dead on arrival at CCS.
Oh, yeah. Which they were originally.
Yeah.
The early prototypes were CCS.